Dreame V12 is the latest and the most powerful Dreame vacuum cleaner yet. It has a strong suction power of 210 earwatts, a carbon fiber extension rod which is lighter by almost 30%, and the battery which is rated to last up to 85 minutes. But is it really as good as it sounds, and is it worth buying Dreame V12 Pro over the regular Dreame V12? Well, let's find it out. Hey, what is up guys, Nellis here from niuxtech, and in this video I will share my personal experience about Dreame V12 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner. I've been using and testing this sample unit for more than 3 weeks now, and although I really like it, there are some important things that you should know and consider before buying. Also, if you find my videos interesting and valuable, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more high quality tech reviews. That would be really appreciated. Inside the box of Dreame V12 Pro you will find a user manual book, a handy mounting template sticker and some extra papers. Then there is also a super lightweight carbon fiber extension rod, motorized V-shaped smart roller brush, extension hose, nozzle with LED light on the top, a soft dusting brush, flexible folding adapter, 2-in-1 charging and storage mount, some screws for attaching it, then another brush nozzle, motorized mites brush for furniture cleaner, and finally a power adapter. So as you can see, you get quite a lot of accessories and different brush heads, which is really cool and welcome. When it comes to the build quality of V12 Pro, it feels pretty solid overall, however that glossy touch layer makes the product feel a bit cheap. And don't get me wrong, visually it still looks really great and premium, but as soon as you touch the vacuum cleaner itself, somehow that premium feel disappears. On the other hand, I really like that carbon fiber extension rod, and all other accessories are well built. The latest vacuum cleaner from Dreame is the most powerful cleaner from its lineup, reaching up to 210 earwatt suction power. It has 500ml dust box with a HEPA filter, and add to this it also comes with a decent size non-removable battery of 2700 mAh, which should last up to 85 minutes. Although I will share my real-life test results in just a moment. Dreame V12 Pro has a nice LED HD display to provide the information about the battery percentage level, the current suction power mode, and it also displays error messages as well as maintenance reminders. Next to the display you will also find 2 physical buttons to change the suction power and to enable or disable continuous cleaning mode. That means you don't need to hold the power trigger all the time, which is really convenient and useful. So let's talk more about the battery performance. Many companies, including Dreame, tries to promote and advertise the maximum theoretical battery time, which might be tricky because usually those times are counted under the lowest power mode and also without any motorized brush heads attached. Taking that into consideration, I did several rounds of battery performance tests under different scenarios, and here what I have found out. Under the lowest eco power mode with no motorized brush head attached, Dreame V12 Pro managed to reach that promised 85 minutes of work time and a little bit more. However, with an attached main motorized brush, the time has dropped twice, resulting in 42 minutes and 52 seconds. While switching to the medium mode on a simple brush head, it stayed alive for 29 minutes and 35 seconds. Meanwhile, with motorized brush head and auto mode, V12 Pro was sufficient enough for 25 minutes and 42 seconds. This specific test was done under mixed conditions, using 20% of the time on the low pile carpet and 80% of the rest time on the hard floor. Finally, when I switched to turbo mode, it lasted for 9 minutes and 23 seconds with the main motorized brush attached, and with a regular brush head, battery ran out just after 8 minutes and 45 seconds. I found it a bit strange because usually with a motorized brush head you should get less time, but now it was actually the vice versa. Interesting. When it comes to the general cleaning performance, Dreame V12 Pro does a really great job on both carpets and a hard floor. Honestly, I found out that medium and auto modes are the ones which I have used the most of the time, as it was sufficient enough for everyday regular cleaning. Of course, in some specific cases you might want to use that max suction power, however take into consideration that it will drain your battery really fast, and you actually cannot swap for a fresh battery as it doesn't have a removable design like a Dreame T series. Anyways, 25 to 30 minutes of average cleaning time on mixed conditions should be good enough for up to 100 square meters, so I wouldn't be that worried, especially if you already have a robot vacuum cleaner. Being that said, using a V12 Pro is really simple and easy due to the help of those big wheels on the main brush, and variety of accessories included in the box makes this vacuum cleaner super versatile and practical. I really like the design of V-shaped main brush heads, not only because it provides a deep carpet cleaning, but also does a good job to prevent hair wrapping. And just in case something gets stuck, you still can easily remove a brush. Overall maintenance is also pretty simple and straightforward. With a single press you can open and empty the dust box, and with some extra twist you can disassemble the cyclone as well as a filter. Those parts can be washed under the water, meaning you don't need to buy and change with the new ones, which saves quite a lot of money over the time. In conclusion, Dreame V12 Pro is a decent handheld cordless vacuum cleaner with a solid build quality and powerful suction. A lot of accessories in the box gives a bunch of versatility, and generally speaking it has all the main features you could expect. The Pro version has some nice upgrades compared to the regular V12, such as 30% lighter carbon fiber rod and 15% increased suction power. The price difference of those two models is around $50, which is fair enough considering these minor improvements. At the end of the day, both V12 and V12 Pro are one of the best vacuum cleaners currently in the market, considering all three aspects of quality, specs and price. Personally, I do think that Dreame V12 or even Dreame T20 is already enough for your daily cleaning tasks. However, if you want some nice extra features and more power, V12 Pro is a way to go. Finally, I'm really interested to see the upcoming Dreame V16, which is rumored to have some handy upgrades, including LED light on the main brush and mopping attachments with a rotating mops. If you're interested in that as well, definitely subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon and stay tuned with my latest videos. And that is it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up and write down in the comments below which vacuum cleaner do you currently have or planning to buy. Thanks for watching, this is Nellis from Niuxtech, and I will see you next time.